We have reached another energetic shift, so let's find out what is going on with your power within. And if you're new to this channel, then welcome to Dvn Bluprnt, where we help you to awaken the divine design in you. And if you're not new, then welcome back, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Now, the human design gate is making an energetic shift in the sacral center from gate 9 of focus to gate 5 of fixed patterns, also known as the gate of rhythm. Now, when the energy was in gate 9 focus, it had us looking at how we are focusing on our actions. Are we doing multiple things at once? How are we scattering our energy? Are we becoming obsessive with our movements? And what can we do to concentrate on one movement at a time? Now, to uncover what is going on in your shadow, then check out our In the Shadow videos. Now, during this new energetic shift, the energy will be in gate 5 fixed patterns. This energetic shift will occur from December 4th to December 8th. And in this 6-day window, this energetic shift will allow you to consciously interact with the energy of gate 5's fixed patterns and how you express this energy. Now, this video can be used at any time after the human design energetic shift as part of your inner work, your shadow work for your self-discovery and healing journey. Now, each one of us expresses the energy of this gate differently, and this is determined on a few factors. One is how the center is defined, and 2, whether the gate is activated or not. Now, to understand how gate 5 fixed patterns affect you, you want to make sure that you are looking at your human design blueprint. And if you're new to human design, you can get a free human design blueprint online. And if you would like a human design reading, we offer human design readings on our website, and the link is in the description box. Now, gate 5 fixed patterns, as I mentioned before, is located in the sacral center, and this is the chakra center of your personal code of ethics, your internal boundaries, which determines your relationship with others, your ability to make money, and how you use your power. It's where you create, birth things into existence, the home of your life force energy and your sexual energy, and it's your right to feel. Now, when it's defined, you own the energy and you influence the world with your energy because you have the power to sustain your life force energy on your work. But if you are working on something too long that you don't enjoy, then it can lead you to burning out. Now, when it's undefined and open, you borrow the energy, which means you have access to experience different ways of using your life force energy, different ways to create, different ways to use your power, different ways to sustain yourself to work, and this is due to how you're being influenced by the world. Now, because you are borrowing the energy, it is important that you understand that the energy doesn't belong to you and that you need to release it in order to sustain your life force energy and so that you don't burn out. So taking frequent breaks are very vital. Now, when the gate is activated, it is the specific energetic theme, the trait that you are constantly expressing. And this is the way you are specifically using the energy to influence the world. And when the gate is not activated, then you are being influenced by this specific energetic theme, this trait, depending on who you are with or where you are. And therefore, being with the right people or in the right place is very essential for your life force energy. Now, all energy has a light and shadow or high or low way of expressing itself. And this energetic forecast will help you to understand how this gate expresses itself in the light or in its shadow. Now, if you're interested in finding out what is hiding in your shadow, then check out our In the Shadow videos that we post every 3 to 4 days after the new energetic shift. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button to be notified when a new video has been posted. Now, if you're tired of living in your shadow, you're tired of living in crisis mode, constantly feeling powerless, and you are ready to take control of your life, then I have a 9-week mentorship program that is limited to a small group of people that focuses on strengthening your internal boundaries, which are all connected to your values, your mission, which is your purpose, and your vision. And the strength of all of these are necessary when you are making decisions and you're taking actions because they help you to see the truth. Now, to learn more about this exclusive program and to grab your seat, then click the A Time For You link in the description box to be taken to our online university. Now, we also have an upcoming workshop that will help you to identify your burning desire, your creative expression, and this workshop will take less than 45 minutes of your time. In this workshop, I will take you through a series of time exercises that will help you to awaken your burning desire, your creative expression. Now, if you're overthinking, you don't know what to do, you're stuck with finding your self-expression in a creative rut, creative block, struggling with connecting with your burning desire, your creativity, then this workshop is for you. Now, to learn more about this workshop, check it out in our online university. The link is in the description box. Now, let's get into the energy of Gate 5 Fixed Patterns Rhythm. Now, the energy of this gate is about your fixed patterns, and these are associated with your habits, your routines, your schedules, your rituals. And this fixed pattern energy thrives on being in a rhythm. This rhythm helps you to focus on being consistent with your day-to-day tasks, achieving your goals, and helping you to push your life forward. Now, since this energy is generated from your creative energy, your life force energy, therefore it likes to have rhythm. And when it's out of rhythm, it causes you to look for perfect, the key word, perfect way of being consistent with your habits, with your rituals, with your routines, and your schedule. And this perfectionism is your lipstick on a pig for being impatient, which causes you to put wear and tear on your body, blocking your creativity, dishonoring yourself, and constantly living in your shadow. Now, in order to stay in your fixed pattern, your rhythm, you have to learn patience. And to learn patience, you have to learn to trust in the flow of life with the understanding that when you are patient, life will send you all you need right now, all you need right on time. So the major 3 questions during this energetic shift is 1, what are your fixed patterns, your habits, your routines, your rituals, etc.? 2, how does these fixed patterns create flow, consistency in your life? And 3, what causes you to get out of rhythm and search for perfection in your fixed patterns? Now, here are some additional journal prompts that you can reflect and journal on during this energetic shift. Now, day 1, journal prompts are about evaluation. 1, what are the top 3 areas of your life where your habits, your routines, your schedules, your rituals feel out of rhythm, and why? And how does each one make you feel? 2, what beliefs are causing you to feel out of rhythm and impatient, and why? Day 2, journal prompts are about intention. 1, how has these beliefs caused you to get out of rhythm, and why? And 2, what would you have to remove to get back into rhythm? Now, day 3 journal prompts are about strategy. 1, what would be the first 3 action steps that you would have to take to align yourself back into your rhythm, and why these steps? And 2, who would you need to include? What would be your timeline, and how much would it cost you, whether it be time, energy, or money? Day 4 journal prompts are about observation. 1, what parts of your action plan would you have to pay attention to ensure that you don't become more impatient with realigning yourself, and why? And 2, what boundaries do you currently have in place or need to put in place to ensure that you stay calm and have patience during this transition to getting back into your rhythm? Day 5 journal prompts are about improvement. 1, what would you have to do to not feel guilty for feeling impatient? And 2, what would you have to do to connect with your spiritual support team, such as your higher self, your ancestors, your guides, God, the divine, your angels, to ensure that you are following their guidance with staying in your natural flow? Why that practice, and how often? Day 6 journal prompts are about benefit. 1, how would you know if you've achieved being in your natural fixed pattern, your rhythm? What would it look like, and how would it feel? And 2, how can you help others get back into their fixed pattern, their natural rhythm? Now, take time each day to reflect and journal on these questions to help you on your self-discovery and healing journey to uncover how you are expressing Gate 5 fixed patterns. And also feel free to leave a comment to let us know and others know what you are experiencing. We look forward to seeing you in our next energetic shift.